From the first day I gave my first kit, it changed everything for me, and I saw the girls look in their eyes as they received the kit and seeing the impact that it could have.
This bag holds dignity, health, opportunity, and importantly, it's a doorway to being able to talk about issues we don't want to talk about. And we're able to really break down some of the stigma that women face all over the globe, and they can feel confident in their community and not only have what they need, but also have the confidence of the knowledge of what's happening with their body. It's amazing.
We have a large number of women who use doTERRA products, and this is an issue for women and health that is critically important in the world.
I think this is one of the coolest projects there is out there right now. I feel really great to be a part of anything that they do. I think that they are making a huge global impact overall, and that matters to them, and it matters to me.
Part of our mission, our culture as a company, is to be involved with service, and Days for Girls has been a great opportunity in which they can provide some service but also connect personally with this great Healing Hands Foundation project that we have going on throughout the world.
I've just heard a lot about the organization since convention and just through work and stuff, and I thought it was a great opportunity to kind of help out and just do what I could for the girls that need it.
It's just that opportunity to kind of like finally do my part and help out and actually be able to make a difference.
Days for Girls is a perfect partner with doTERRA. They represent so many of the things that we represent as a company. To hand them these kits and to see how happy they are and how proud they are, it's been one of the highlights of my participation in the Healing Hands Foundation.